Hi, welcome back to my channel. I welcome any Austin home buyers, sellers, and real estate enthusiasts. If you want the latest, most accurate insights on Austin real estate market, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the March 2025 market statistics, comparing them to February 2025, and giving you expert analysis you need to make smart real estate decisions. So if you're planning on buying soon, keep watching. I post regular updates about Austin, from the housing market to the best places to live. If you're new to the channel, I'm Michelle, your go-to Austin realtor. On this channel, I help you stay updated and educated on the Austin real estate market so that you can make the best real estate decisions, whether you're moving, buying, or investing here in Austin. I keep it real and I break everything down that you need to know about the market. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the most up-to-date Austin housing market news, trends, and tips. Understanding monthly real estate market updates is crucial, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. These updates help you spot trends, time your moves, and negotiate from a position of strength. In this video, we'll cover all these metrics: median price, closed sales, inventory, days on market, and more. We'll also break down what these numbers mean for you and where the market might be headed next. Okay, so let's start with a snapshot of the March 2025 Austin real estate market. Okay, so the median price was $585,250. That is up 3.6% year over year. Closed sales is 587. That's down 7.6% year over year. Active listings, 2,125. That's up 27.2% year over year. So for the months of inventory is 3.9 months. So that's up 1% year over year. Median price per square foot, $323.13. That's up 2.8% year over year. The median home size is 1,926 square feet. Median year built, 1986. Days on market, 58 days. Days to close, 28 days. And close original list price is at 94.1%. These numbers tell us that prices are still rising, but at a slower pace. Inventory is still up significantly, giving buyers more options while sellers are facing longer marketing times. Now let's rewind and look at February 2025 for comparison. So for February, the median price was $570,000. That's up 5.6% year over year. Closed sales, 441, down 15% year over year. Active listings, 1,662, that's up 13% year over year. Months of inventory was 3 months, that's up 0.5% year over year. The median home size was 1,900 square feet. Median year built was 1989. And days on market for February was 77 days. And days to close was 28 days. And closed original list price was 93.2%. So in February, the market was a bit slower with fewer sales and less inventory. Prices were slightly lower and homes took longer to sell. Now let's break down the month-to-month changes and what they mean for buyers and sellers. So the metrics, March 2025 and February 2025. So here's this neat spreadsheet so you can see them together and you can compare them. Okay, so March saw a significant jump in closed sales and active listings compared to February 2025. The median price increased by 2.7 and homes sold 19 days faster on average. This suggests a seasonal pickup in activity as we head into spring, with more buyers entering the market and sellers pricing homes more competitively. Okay, so let's look at where most homes are selling. So from 500,000 to 750,000, largest share in both months. March 30.4% and February 28.4%. 1 million plus, March was 20.7% versus February 18.1%. So luxury market share is rising. Now 300,000 to 499,000 for March was 29.5%. February was 35.4%. So in this market, it's a shrinking affordable segment. Now the market is skewing toward higher price points with fewer affordable options and more luxury sales. This is key for first-time homebuyers and investors to note. So inventory increased sharply from February to March from 1,662 to 2,125 active listings. Months of inventory rose from 3 to 3.9. This means the market is shifting toward balance, giving buyers more leverage and reducing bidding wars. Now, March homes sold faster than in February. Days on market 58 in March versus 77 in February. Days to close steady at 28 total days. Listings to close 86 in March versus 105 in February. This means buyers are acting quickly and sellers are seeing faster results, especially as spring activity heats up. Okay, so next, what this means for buyers and sellers. For buyers, more choices, less competition, but prices are still edging up. Act quickly on well-priced homes, but negotiate harder as inventory rises. Now for sellers, homes are selling faster, but pricing right is crucial. Staging and marketing matter more as buyers have more options. Okay, so let's talk about tips and a market outlook. Here are my top tips for navigating the Austin market right now. Buyers, get pre-approved, watch for price drops, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Sellers, price competitively, highlight your home's unique features, and be prepared for more showings. Investors, watch the luxury segment and rental demand as inventory rises. Now looking ahead, expect continued activity through spring with prices stabilizing as inventory grows. Watch for interest rate changes and economic shifts that could impact demand. Now this wraps up our March 2025 Austin real estate market update in comparison with February. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with anyone interested in Austin real estate. Drop your questions or topics you want covered in the comments below. And don't forget to hit those buttons, and just remember, it's free and that's how you support me. And also so you don't miss out on future updates. And if you're still on the fence about moving to Austin, or reach out to me. I'd love to help you make the right decisions for your lifestyle and your real estate goals. Thank you for watching, and if you're seriously thinking of moving to Austin or buying a home here, you definitely want to see the next video. Also, click on my link below in the description if you want access to all my content. And one last thing, don't forget to comment. I'd love to get your feedback or just say hello. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and let's make your next move a success. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next month for another data-driven market update. Bye for now.